Hello YouTube, this is Tricks 2007. Okay, first we're going to start off as this. If you're looking to improve your PC a lot better. Right now we're going to do this one first, so there's 4 quick easy steps. You're not going to damage your PC or anything. It's a pretty easy thing to do. So first you're going to want to go to Start. You're going to right click on Computer. Then you're going to go to Advanced System Settings. And while you're there, you're going to go into Settings. The first thing you want to do is first you're going to click for Best in Performance. What it's going to do is going to unhighlight everything here. You don't have to keep everything empty if you don't want. You can go back to Custom like I did and only highlight the things you know you really use. I got these 2 checked here. Turning them off, you're going to see a little bit like increase in performance, but you're not going to lose a lot of performance if you're running a lot of RAM. Next, you'll click Apply or OK, whatever. Next, you'll hit Advanced. You're going to go to Virtual Memory. I unchecked mine. A lot of people are a little iffy about messing with the virtual memory, so if you don't want to do it, feel free. If you are, then you will uncheck that, go down to Custom Size. You will choose the initial size, your starting point, and then the maximum. You don't want to do too much, so it will take a lot of this space. So you'll just click Set, Apply, OK. Once you're done with that, the next thing we're going to do is right here. So we're going to go into the performance options. I pretty much just did them both at once. Sorry about that. Okay, next we're going to go into you're going to go into your control panel. Then you're going to highlight power options. Right now I have it on high performance. It uses more energy, but it also gives you a better performance rate. Usually by default, Microsoft puts it at balance, which they say recommended. But yeah, if you put it on high performance, you're definitely going to see a big increase. So once you're done with that, you would just exit out. Next, we're going to go into this section here. You're going to hit the Start menu. You're going to go into your search bar. If you're using Windows XP or any older operating system, you're going to want to click all, I believe it's on this side over here, I'll say Run. So and then you'll type in msconfig. Go into that. You have a few tabs here to choose from. We're only going to do the 3 in the middle. First, you're going to Boot. You're going to go into Advanced Options, Number of Processors. You'll check that, and you're going to choose the last number, so that way your boot time will be a lot faster because you're running on multiple processors rather than just a single processor. Leave everything else the way it is. Now in the timeout section, you're going to want to put 3. If you're looking to increase, a little bit more boot up time, which I don't because I have like animation going on, you would just put no GUI boot, so that way you're not going to see like the BIOS loading or whatever. Next, you're going to go into Services. The best way to do it is, first you want to hit the Hide All Microsoft Service tab first, and you're going to unhighlight whatever you don't use. Like I have to keep my Tongo because I do LAN, and I have to keep my NVIDIA obviously in order to, get my graphics going. But everything else like updating and stuff, I really don't like them because they run in the background and sometimes they can take a lot of CPU or memory, so I just disable them. Next, you're going to unclick that, and like I said here, I put a list of services that you should take out, which is pretty much those right there. There's a few more you can do, but just make sure you know what you're doing. Don't uncheck everything. After you do that, you're going to go to your startup, and right now I just got my virus protection and my advanced system care running. Again, the update and all that, I take it out. You want to minimize this as possible, so that way you're not having all those start up while your PC's trying to boot. Once you're done with all that, you're going to click Apply, click OK. It's going to ask you to restart. I'm not going to restart, obviously, because I'm recording right now, so you would just click OK and then hit the restart button. Once you do all that, you should definitely see a big improvement. I will be posting another video, so please rate and subscribe. Thank you for watching.